Welcome back, everybody. If you watched my video on attaching these ribbons, I decided to go with all white and then with some gold on top of that, but I went ahead and added some more white layers to thicken it up. Now I want to clean up the ends. You can leave them straight like they are, but I mean, that's perfectly fine. I just like to add a pretty design on the bottom of my ribbons. A lot of times I go ahead and pre-cut them before I attach them, but I wasn't real sure what I wanted to do with this one, so I'm just cutting them like that. So you just pinch it, but you don't want to crease the ribbon, so you pinch it like, and then you cut upwards like that. So it makes that design. So on the big ones, you just fold it down and match them up. You always got to match up the bottom before you cut it, and then just cut upwards like that. So it makes that pretty design. And you can cut them slanted at different directions. Cut them where they're going like this, or you know, the opposite way, or like I said, you can leave them straight. I just like to make them a little bit pretty, so this is what I'm going to do to the ends of all these. Just keep cutting these. Work my way through the bottom, and it'll just give it a prettier design on the very bottom. You can see it taking shape down there. Okay guys, thanks.